Good morning. This is your AI News Bulletin for June 2nd, 2026. Here are today's top stories, leading off with Anthropic taking a major step toward the public markets. Anthropic has filed confidentially for an initial public offering, after a fresh funding round pushed its valuation to about $965 billion. Alphabet says it plans to raise $80 billion in stock to fund AI infrastructure and global compute, including a $10 billion sale to Berkshire Hathaway. Florida has sued OpenAI and Sam Altman, alleging ChatGPT was released despite safety warnings and was linked to violent incidents and harms involving minors. OpenAI has broken ground on a 1 gigawatt data center campus in Michigan, with promises on local power costs, water use, jobs, and community investment. OpenAI says its frontier models and codecs are now generally available on AWS through Amazon Bedrock, including commercial and Gov cloud regions. Microsoft is expected to unveil new AI models, a Copilot super app, and a more developer-focused Windows 11 experience at Build this week. Google's Gemini Spark agent is drawing mixed early reviews, with strong task performance but concerns about cost and privacy trade-offs. Nvidia has introduced its RTX Spark PC chip and says systems from Microsoft, Dell, HP, and others will ship this fall for local AI agents. WindBorne Systems says its latest AI weather model now beats leading government forecasts on key measures, with hourly updates and finer resolution. Strava is tightening API access and adding a monthly developer fee, saying zero-code AI apps and scraping attempts have strained the platform. Now let's go deeper on today's top 3. Starting with our top story. Anthropic says it has confidentially filed draft paperwork with the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission for a proposed initial public offering. The company has not yet disclosed how many shares it would sell or at what price, and it says any offering will depend on market conditions and other factors. The move comes less than a week after Anthropic raised $65 billion in a Series H round that valued the company at about $965 billion. What stands out here is the speed. Anthropic is moving from a huge private round straight into IPO preparation, while reporting a revenue run rate above $47 billion, up from $9 billion at the end of 2025. A confidential filing lets it test the path privately before releasing full financial details in a public filing. The broader read is that AI financing is shifting again, from private capital at extreme valuations toward public market scrutiny. If Anthropic proceeds, investors will soon get a clearer look at how sustainable enterprise AI revenue really is, and that could shape the timing and pricing of other major AI listings, including OpenAI's expected filing. Next up, Alphabet says it plans to raise $80 billion by selling stock, with the proceeds earmarked for general corporate purposes, including capital spending to scale AI infrastructure and global compute. As part of that plan, $10 billion in stock will be sold to Berkshire Hathaway. Alphabet says demand for its AI products from both enterprises and consumers is running ahead of available supply, and that the financing is meant to support expansion while keeping the balance sheet healthy. The scale matters because it gives a concrete number for how expensive this build-out has become. At Google I/O last month, Sundar Pichai said the company expected to spend between $180 billion and $190 billion on capital expenditures before the year ends. This new raise shows that even the largest tech companies are looking for fresh ways to finance AI capacity. The forward read is straightforward. The bottleneck is no longer just model quality. It is power, chips, data centers, and networked compute. Alphabet's move adds to evidence that the next phase of the AI race will be one not only in research labs, but in who can fund and deploy infrastructure at the largest scale. And finally, Florida Attorney General James Othmeier has filed what the state calls the first state-led lawsuit against OpenAI and Chief Executive Sam Altman over ChatGPT's alleged links to violent incidents. The 83-page complaint says the company ignored internal and external safety warnings and misrepresented the risks of the product. It claims ChatGPT has been connected to deadly rampages, suicide encouragement, addiction among minors, and other harms. The lawsuit follows a criminal investigation launched in April into what role ChatGPT may have played in last year's Florida State University mass shooting. OpenAI has previously denied responsibility for that shooting, saying the tragedy was not caused by ChatGPT. What makes this case notable is that it moves beyond private civil suits into direct state action. That raises the stakes for the whole industry, because state attorneys general can push for broader remedies and create pressure for new rules even before federal law changes. Going forward, this case will be watched closely as a test of how courts handle claims that general-purpose AI systems contributed to real-world violence, and whether safety representations made by AI companies can become a central legal vulnerability. Stepping back, today's stories point to the same theme. AI is moving into a more capital-intensive and more accountable phase, with bigger infrastructure bets, wider enterprise deployment, and sharper legal and public market scrutiny. That's your AI News Bulletin for June 2nd, 2026. See you tomorrow.